That's...
No, it looks like the tree out of Pocahontas.
You keep on saying about Pocahontas.
I know, I don't know, it keeps coming up for some reason today.
Look at that.
Oh wow. Can you get in there a little bit closer?
Of course.
Mother Nature is amazing. Absolutely stoked.
Stunning.
Is there like a band called Twisted Sister?
Yeah.
Because that's, I don't know, that came into my head. Do you know any of their songs?
No, we can look them up, but if I'm right, they were never very bright.
We'll have to do that. Have a look. Send us your comments. If you know any Twisted Sister songs,
Let us know.
let us know.